Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Again, my name is Bimbo. I'm a Nigerian trained pharmacist and a UK care assistant, and in this video I'll be taking you on a tour into my new house. Okay, it's a countryside. As you can see, everywhere is green, and I currently live in one of those buildings you can see behind. So I'm going to show you into my apartment. So guys, first of all, let me show you who my neighbors are. So these are my kids and these are my neighbors. I'm gonna show you who my neighbors are. So my daughter said this is a horse, and obviously this is a pussy cat, and they happen to be my neighbor. Hi, don't be scared, Alvin, don't be scared. Hello, it looks friendly, it appears friendly. Hello, are you alright? Yeah, I don't know if this is a pig or a horse or a crossbreed. It's like a pig, right? So much hair. Oh, I see. So, oh, okay. Black. Okay, you are right, my love. You are right. And that's pussy. Go. Okay, can we go now? So my son just wants to go inside. So I got this aloe vera from my colleague as a parting gift. So knock. You're welcome to my abode. So here is the kitchen. Obviously, it's an open plan lounge and kitchen setting. So this is the kitchen, and here is the lounge. So for now, this is where I live. She's saying hello. So that's a fire extinguisher. Here is a table with a lamp on it. So here is a mirror, and the TV is hung on the wall with this curtain. I like the fact that the entrance is very wide, and as a result, if you are disabled or whatever, it is very easy for you to gain entrance into this house, whether you're using a wheelchair or not. So let me take you through the kitchen. This is the bin and some of our African food that we brought. That's the window. These are some of the things that we brought, like the air fryer and that jug. These other ones are for this Airbnb. I like the fact that the cooker is electronic and is like e-cooker. You just press. This is the microwave. This is the coffee maker. I like the fact that enough storage spaces in this kitchen, sufficient for a family of 4 at least. As an Airbnb, you know what I mean. And this is the fridge and freezer. This is the dishwasher here, and this is the dining. This is the dining here. So it's a lot spacious. It's very spacious, and it's very neat compared to where we lived in England. So by the way, we just relocated from England, and we're currently in a very remote area. As you can see from outside, it's a farm settlement kind of, and we are yet to get accommodation, so we don't know where we're going. Yeah, let me take you through that door. That is a store, and it also serves as a utility room. Yeah, this is a utility room, or you can call it a store. So here, if you have a baby and you're staying in this Airbnb, you're sure to have this high chair to feed your baby. So that's a fan in case it's in the summer and everywhere is warm. Oh, so there's an opening here. So a lot of things like Christmas tree, bags and baggages. It's a lot. I just shut it. Also, there are more storages here, and here you have the washer and the dryer with some other things that I don't know. So there's these lights there, there's the washer, and there's the dryer with some other things. So I just kept some of our boots there so that the house won't be smelling. So let's get, by the way, this is just a one-room apartment. I'll just take you straight into the bedroom. So we've only got one bedroom. For the sake of thumbnail, let me just take some snapshots. So as you can see, we've got some of our loads here. We moved from England with just our basic things, like no furnitures, nothing. What we did was to recommend somebody to our agents, our housing agents, that, oh, this friend needs a house, and if you don't mind, they want to occupy the house after we are gone. And the agent luckily accepted, the landlord also accepted, and then we had to just leave all our furniture. We just transferred all our furniture to the person we recommended, and the person just has to pay us for the furniture. You know, we had to beat down the price so that it can be very, very affordable for the person. So let's just continue. So the time now is 4:30. Here is the bedroom. This is very, very beautiful. It's so cute. This is a king-size bed. Never mind these shoes. They're supposed to be 2 stools there where these lamps are going to be, but for reasons that are best known to the landlord, he came to pick the stools, so that's why you have the lamps on the floor. So this is our duvet and some of our own clothing that we are not currently using because we've got enough here. So these are some of our boxes. I like the fact that this room is so cute. It's very easy to maintain, it's very easy to clean, and I like this rug. It's super cute. And this wardrobe is also super cute. And there's a mirror in the corner. Let me just show you the mirror. Mirror, mirror. So this is a mirror here. Everything here, I love it. I wish we would just stay back here and live here. You know what I mean? It's so easy for me to maintain. I don't have to sweep so many rooms. You're lazy like me, you will understand what I mean. So what do we have in the wardrobe? Let me open the wardrobe. So you've got a lot of towels to change, just duvets, extra duvets, and that's my jacket. And then there's a pressing board, ironing board, and just hangers. So that's that for now, and I'll take you to the last place in the house, which is the shower room or the bedroom. So this is the bedroom here. There's just one bedroom, of course, it's just one room, and it has the cubicle. It doesn't have the bathtub, it's just the cubicle, the WC. It has this mirror. It doesn't have any storage. So if I were to live in this house, I would have just added some storage, like bought some hanging basket, or what do you call it, what have you. So this is the toilets, and that's that about this apartment. That's that about this place. How much does it cost to live in this Airbnb? I really cannot say, because the company is the one responsible for the payment of the Airbnb. So I really do not know. So they had to move my husband from a 2-bedroom Airbnb to a 1-bedroom Airbnb because he's been here for 1 month and is yet to get an accommodation. So they just had to move him down to this place from a 2-bedroom. By the way, this is Northern Ireland. So we moved from England to Northern Ireland. So my content basically are going to be more from Northern Ireland. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one.